Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Well, it's been over a week since I've been in lockdown and I've now decided that I need to pamper myself. So I thought I would share how I made my foaming rose body wash. It is beautiful and it's seriously easy to put together. You need one of these canisters which has got the foaming thing on it. If you haven't got one of these, you might have one that's surplus to requirement or almost empty. Well, just give that a good wash and you can use that. Into here, oops, and I knew there was something else I had to get. Here it is, my wee funnel. I have already given you the recipe for the liquid soap base. Just have a flick through to see where that is, and you could perhaps use that. Now, you could either use one of these, but I found this new gadget and I just love it. It's this big syringe. I don't know where I got it from, but it's been in the cupboard and I just love it and thought, oh yeah, that'd be quite good. I have a wee play, I've got lots of time. So you need 2 tablespoons, which is about 30 mils. So I'm just gonna suck that up. Hopefully I can suck it up. Oh, it's a bit thick. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, okay. Let's just put that to one side and let's just do it properly, shall we? So when you make your soap base, you'll see that it goes a little bit like this. See this here? That's what it goes like. So you might have to add a little bit more water to it, but I'll just let that fall in there until I've got 2 tablespoons, which I have. Yeah, it's a little bit like snot, but you know, was cheap enough to make, and in these hard times of being in lockdown, you might not be able to get out, so it's okay. Okay, from there, once that's into there, get off there. It is a tablespoon of jojoba. You might have some almond. I don't know, you might have, whatever you've got, just use that. So that's a tablespoon of that. If you want it to be super nourishing, you could perhaps add 2, and I'm going to do that now because I need all the loving pampering I can get. Into that, it's very easy this, you can add 10 drops of essential oil of rose, or I just found some musk, and I thought, well, look, I might just use the musk. Well, why not musk or rose geranium or whatever it is that you want. You need 10 drops. I don't know why I didn't siphon it out, but never mind, I didn't. And then, instead of adding water, I'm going to fill the rest of the container up with some rose water, which is just beautiful. And as I said, in these times of hardship, you just got to take whatever you can get and mend and make do is what I say. Give that a wee shake and then watch this. I love this. Look at that. Oh my goodness, and the smell. Oh, now I deserve that. All up my hands, like so, over to the sink or to the shower. Just like that, done. Body pampering in times of isolation and lockdown. Give it a go. I hope you like it. I've enjoyed sharing with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. And just be mindful of how you go. Keep safe, keep your distance, and just actually stay indoors until this is all over. See you again.